This is going to be a series of making Christmas totes for my family. I recently did this one, so you could check out that video. But now I'm on to my next one. In the last video, I said that I was going to wash these totes before embroidering, just because when you're using a new cloth, sometimes the cloth shrinks after the first wash and it messes up your stitches. I'm gonna do that with the rest of these. I have 5 left to do, so I'm gonna put them in the wash, take off the tags, and then get started to decide what design I want to use. It is the next day after washing my totes. This is what they're looking like, a little wrinkly after washing them. But I figured I could use some of my designs that I've done. These are my designs, my usual ones that I did. I did them in sets of three. I think it was like 9 of these flowers with some of these like leaves. And so I went into my Procreate app and I made these a little bigger and got rid of some of the flower bouquets. It could be easier for me. I just print it and then I don't have to draw on the totes every single time. I could just cut these out, stick them, and stitch with them. And then I'll just rinse it out. Since I already washed the totes, I'm thinking the totes are not gonna shrink anymore. It'll be fine when I wash off the stick and stitch paper. And this is the one that I have. I got it pretty cheap on Amazon and they've been pretty good. I think they do have issues with the little leaves, the edges. When I cut a small area, it does kind of detach, but if you do that part first, if you start there, then it's fine. And they're pretty cheap, so I think it's worth it for 15 sheets. I'll link them down below in the description if you want to check them out through my affiliate link. Let me get started and picking out the colors that I want. So I'll probably go with this one. These are just other ones. These are my smaller ones that come with the pack of 9. And so they're really big compared to these. And then I like these leaves a little better than these. This one's simple right here. And then maybe like this. These 2 for the stem, these 2 for the petals and the center of the flower, and this brown one is gonna be for this brown stick, whatever it is. I don't know if I'm gonna do all 5 at this point. I'm getting a little overwhelmed, but I have one other one for sure that I've already started and I've finished, but that's gonna be a different video. And then for my little niece, I have a video where I embroidered a cat with her, and I'm going to probably just add that into her tote and then make it like a pocket in the front. I think that would be cute. Hopefully the color's not too off, since I think I did it in a white cloth and this one's more tan, but we'll see. And I'll probably add little leaves, but that'll be a separate video. So if you watched this video all the way through, thank you, and I'll see you next time.